Second one, this is a pickle hard seltzer. Once again, coming in at 4% ABV, so not too hard. Actually, real light. I said it's pickle. Excuse me. That does smell just like a jar of pickle juice. And if it tastes anything like it smells, I would probably substitute this for pickle juice when you're doing a Jameson and pickle. Just saying. Add you a little extra kick to that Jameson and pickle with this pickle hard seltzer. Let's go ahead and give her the taste. Oh yeah. It's got a little bit of that tartness of the pickle juice to it. It's not really overwhelming. It's not as tart as you would expect from something with pickle in the name. You definitely do get the pickle taste. So far, so good. I mean, these Island Rains, I've got one down. The coconut lime, I give that a 2 pints up. This one, I'd probably give it a 1 pint. Just because I'm not a big fan of pickle juice. I know a lot of people are. It is more refreshing than what I thought it would be. Every time I raise it up to take a sip, because you know that your senses, man, it's not just the sense of taste when you drink, it's the sense of smell as well. And every time you raise the pint or the flight up, that pickle hits your senses, man, and you're expecting pickle juice. And the flavor doesn't disappoint. It doesn't disappoint at all. You get that, like I said, you get that pickle juice to it, you get that pickle flavor. It's not too overwhelming. You still got that seltzer taste to it. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up. Don't go anywhere, all you drinkers across America, because I'm coming back at you right after this quick break. I'll see you for the final 2 of 4 right after this.